Hawkins here.
Neil Bobby Hawkins.
And
Matt.
our guest star again. And this is our Christmas episode. Because we have what we got?
Box.
What kind of box?
Daddy met to bambox.
It's a bambox. This is the November 2019 bambox.
Yeah.
The horror box. So it's perfect timing for Christmas. Not really. I think we should scoot a little closer. Everybody scoot up. So you can see it's a little better.
Wait up here.
Ow!
You want to get rid of this?
Someone did not on mine.
That's me, I'm sorry. Yeah.
There we go. Alright, so we're going to open this thing up and check out what's inside.
Okay.
We are at a guest location, so we don't have a regular studio. Just in case anybody's curious.
Yeah.
And we're not able to do a giveaway because we don't have any of that stuff here either. Sorry. But the next episode, we're going to do another giveaway, right? And we're going to announce the winner of the previous giveaway. So if you haven't signed up for that, go to our previous video. I fixed the comments. Thank you for the person that told me about the comments being turned off for whatever reason. Oh, I know, I forgot. I'm sorry.
What?
All right.
Here, I don't know.
Pull the stuff out and let's see what's inside.
Dear.
All right, don't look, don't look.
Why?
All right, now you pull it out. I don't want to see. All right, we got tissue paper. And all right, what do we got first? First off the bat, we have a bug lady thing. Any idea? This is the only out of 250. You got any idea what that is?
Looks like the chick from Mars Attacks, but it's really not. I don't know what that is.
Oh, we got.
It is the chick from Mars Attack. Ack, ack, ack.
Bam! It is.
Yes.
Well, that might be our one up then. This is out of 250. Got a one-up card, an upgrade, limited edition item in our box. No. We gotta save that one.
Okay.
Because what does that look like?
Yeah, I can.
All right, here's our art print we have. I think it's an art print. Ooh, Dawn of the Dead. That's a cool one. That's a cool one, isn't it?
Somebody needs you.
So there's that.
Now,
Yeah.
okay.
We'll go in a minute. We're
No,
filming
we're
right
right.
now. I like that one. Dawn of the Dead.
That is a cool
Little
one.
stone man looking thing. All right, next. What else is in the box? Ooh, what do we got here?
Sales advisor Sean.
Is this Shaun of the Dead?
That is Shaun of the Dead.
Shaun of the
where
Dead.
He's got a little bit of red.
Yeah. These will be over somebody's face. Close-ups of these for a second. So everybody pause for me to do. All right.
This is Tipsy.
That's kind of cool.
Got the
That'd be
red
good for a
on
Halloween
here.
costume.
That'd be good for a Halloween costume.
This
That'd be
is
good for.
wax.
All right, the last thing before the cheat sheet. What is this? What do you think that is?
I think it's a Funko Pop.
A Funko Pop.
Yeah.
You think we got an autographed Funko Pop?
No, I don't know.
Just a regular Funko Pop? All right, let's check it out. Whoa! From Scary Stories, Tales from the Dark. What is that guy's name? Something Man?
Jangly Man.
Jangly Man. I have no clue what this is. It looks scary though, isn't it?
Yeah. I want you to have it.
I'm gonna put this in your bedroom and you can sleep next to it.
No.
Snuggle it a little bit.
That's not a bad one. That's pretty
I
cool.
want you to sleep with that one.
You want to make me sleep with it? Make you sleep with the fishes.
No.
Alright, cheat sheet.
I gotta get.
Check out our cheat sheet and see what we got.
Okay.
Alright, we have the limited edition, we got the Signed Funko Pop, of course. The 250 for the pen. So I think that was our upgrade right there. Yes, our art print was the common art print, but it's still out of 2000, so that's pretty cool. What else you got there? And then the movie prop. Yep, it's from Shaun of the Dead. I think we got everything between all three of us. We got all the things this time. I mean, I wouldn't have got that one, so you definitely
It's
got
one
that
of my favorite movies, Mars Attacks.
Yeah, but I don't remember that lady really.
It does not look like her at all.
Pretty good box.
It's the hair the other way.
Are we gonna keep the pen, or are we gonna put it in the giveaway box?
Here's what the pen is.
I want to put in the getaway box.
All right, so you heard it from this one. We're gonna put that pen in the giveaway box. So that's one of the ones you could possibly get. We gonna do a giveaway on this video.
Yeah.
Yeah. So comment below. Let us know your favorite piece. I'll try to make sure the comments are on this time.
Yeah.
and we'll put your name in the drawing to possibly get something out of the giveaway box of pens. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Any last notes? Like the box overall?
I think it was a pretty decent box.
Not bad for like $26.
Yeah,
I think
not
26
bad
or
at all
36.
for that. Yeah, I'm happy with it.
I thought it was cool.
Yeah.
I mean, the guy's creepy, so I kind of like that.
I do too.
All right, you want to tell him bye?
Unique.
Bye.
And?
Like and God. Bye.